Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jonell Sequira XO, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is a little different, okay? Before we get into anything, I hope you guys are staying inside. I hope you're staying safe, washing your hands, keeping everything sanitized, because this coronavirus is here and she's not here to play, okay? So with all that being said, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do self-care Sundays or self-care Saturdays, self-care Friday nights, you know, whatever night that I have time for it. And now with this social distancing, all this going on, there's more time now than ever to just really indulge in yourself and take care of yourself, because right now yourself is all you got unless you stay with your family or your significant other or whatever, you know. But today I'm going to show you guys how I do self-care. Yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So I always start my self-care days off by cleaning my apartment. So I'm just tidying up. I do deep cleans like every week. Everybody thinks I'm really extra, but that's just how I do things, okay? But yeah, I like to make sure everything is nice and clean, because when my place is clean, or you know, even back when I was living with my parents, my room is clean, like it just gives me peace of mind, and I really need that peace of mind. You know, sometimes if my room is a mess, I feel like my life is a mess. So I have to clean that up before I can even, you know, do anything else. So once my apartment is nice and sparkling and clean, and don't worry guys, an apartment tour is coming, I promise, okay? I promise. So I actually just came back from the gym. Exercising is definitely a part of my self-care days. This was back when my gym was still open. This was like a week or two ago, so you know, don't come at me, bro. The gym is now closed, so I will be working out indoors now. So I'm about to set up a little bath. I'm gonna do a bath bomb, which I don't do very often, but it's my only option right now. So I'm gonna turn on the water and start filling up the tub. I'm gonna grab this amazing candle that I got from Home Goods, I believe. Yes, Home Goods. It smells so good. I have no idea what the brand is or anything. It was like a random candle that I found. So once that candle's lit, I'm gonna pick some music to like really set the mood. I've been listening to Chilombo by Jhené Aiko like on repeat since it came out. And this album is really, really good for like relaxing, and it just really gets me right, okay? Jhené Aiko always comes with the vibes, with the positivity. Sometimes it's a little sad, but it always just sounds so good and soothing and calming that it's perfect for the mood. So, and now I'm gonna slip those bath bombs into the tub after my tub is full of nice and hot water. Don't mind my little remote for my camera. And I'm gonna use this bath bomb that I got from Target a while back. I don't know if I recommend these. It's literally the only bath bomb that I have. I'm sure there's better things out there to use. And I just in general don't really like using bath bombs because, you know, they're just not really great for the nether regions. But I don't do this often, so, you know, it's no big deal. One night is not gonna hurt me, and don't worry, we're gonna take care of that later anyways. So I'm just gonna chill. You guys didn't see it, but I grabbed me a nice little glass of wine. You know, this is the perfect time for that. I'm just gonna chill out, and I probably sit in the tub for like 30 minutes, just however long I feel like it, honestly, until I start getting wrinkly. There's no time limit. But after that, I have to take an actual shower because, you know, a bath isn't like actually doing anything, but you're kind of sitting in dirt. So I'm gonna wash all that off, and I use this soft soap luminous oils. It's cheap, it smells good, got it from Walmart, nothing fancy. And this loofah that I also got from Walmart. But once I'm done soaping up my entire body and then rinsing off, I'm gonna move on to cleaning my nether regions. Yes, and I'm using the Honey Pot, Black-owned company. If you guys haven't heard of them yet, you need to get it whenever they restock, because they're always sold out. Yes, I'm heard about it because I'm almost out of this bottle. But anyways, I just put like one pump onto my rag, clean the area, you know? She gets me right. She gets me nice and clean and fresh. After that, I'm gonna move on to shaving. So I'm using this EOS shave cream. I don't know why I wouldn't focus, but I put the brand up there for you guys. It's in pomegranate raspberry. and I'm gonna use that to shave my underarms and my legs. Those are really the only places that I shave. Everything else gets waxed or left alone. So, and then we're gonna have a little dance break, because what is self-care without a little dance break? You know what I'm saying? Don't ask me what Jhené Aiko song I was listening to dancing like this, but it was one of them, child. And now a word from our sponsor. I'm just kidding, it's just me. But this video is sponsored by Ancient Cosmetics, and this is a skincare brand. They sent me 4 of their amazing body butters. They have a cocoa and lavender formula, a tropical pineapple and bergamot formula, toasted marshmallow and jojoba, which is my absolute favorite, and an unscented fragrance-free formula, which is just shea butter and cocoa butter. For all you sensitive skin lads out there. Love these products. They are amazing and super natural. They don't have any sulfates, no parabens, no gluten, no synthetic colors, no animal testing. All the ingredients for each different formula is pretty consistent across the board. They all have shea butter, coconut butter, coconut oil, and then whatever fragrance. So of course the cocoa and lavender has lavender essential oils. The pineapple and bergamot has bergamot oil and some fragrance in there. And then the scent-free one just has shea butter, coconut oil, and cocoa butter. So those are the 3 main ingredients: shea butter, coconut oil, and cocoa butter. And like I said, toasted marshmallow is my fave because it just smells so freaking good. It literally smells like sweet baked goods. Like, it's amazing. Whenever I wear it, people are like, oh my gosh, you smell so good. So I'm just gonna slather that onto my still slightly damp body, and I just rub that all over my skin. It makes me nice and soft and supple, and it's amazing. So if you're interested, the link will be in the bio, of course. But after that, I'm gonna move on to skincare. So I'm gonna do my regular skincare, which I'm not gonna get into too deeply because I will do a separate video on my skincare routine at a later date sometime soon, so stay tuned for that. But it wouldn't be a self-care night without a face mask, of course. So I'm going to use this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Shout out to my job for giving me this gratis for the free ski. So I'm just going to apply this. It's a paper mask that I actually really liked. Tatcha is very expensive, but from what I heard, their products are really good. This is the first thing I've tried from them, and my skin was amazing after I used it. So I'm definitely going to buy me a couple of those masks, even though they're like $5. But I let that sit on my face for 15 minutes. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys what it looked like afterwards, but it just looked like glowing skin. So we're moving on. So of course I'm going to take care of my kitty cat. Wouldn't be self-care without taking care of it. And I'm going to use this boric acid suppositories that I'm always talking about on my channel. I have a full video on it. If you're interested, it will be linked above for you guys. I have a bunch of videos talking about this product actually, and I swear by it. So I'm gonna insert them into my vajayjay, and I have, like I said, a whole video demonstrating how you insert it and all that jazz. But yeah, and don't forget to wear a liner and underwear after you insert these because it will leak. After all of that, I'm just gonna chill out and sit on my couch, drink some mo wine, read. So this is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. If you haven't heard about this, this is a really good book. It's a self-help book. I try not to read too many self-help books, but every once in a while, when I'm stuck in a rut or when I just need some motivation, I will pick up a self-help book. And this is the one that I'm currently trying to get through. So and so far it's pretty good. I learned a couple of things, you know. So I'm actually gonna end my night by cooking myself a nice little meal. I actually hate cooking, so I'm not sure why this is included in my self-care night, but I just thought I should include it. Just cause I was, you know, now that we are, now that I am social distancing, for real, I've started working from home and everything, I'm gonna have to learn how to cook. So, you know, I can get by. I know a few things, but your girl is not a chef, okay? So, but that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little self-care routine. I will be doing this a lot more often now that I have to be inside, and I hope you guys will take this opportunity. I know everything is very stressful right now for a lot of people. But you know, try your best to get some rest and just, you know, get some rest, some relaxation, get right. Okay, the content is coming for you guys, so you won't be too bored at home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below some good bath bombs or bath milks or something. Recommend me something good, because your girl needs I need something good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on social media. My handle is at JonellSequiraXO. All the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.